All right. Want to hold this?
Sir, yes, sir. Okay, guys, so in today's video, we're going to be taking off the throttle body on a 2003 Saab. First thing you want to do is remove the 4 10mm bolts and remove the electrical connector. I'm going to pause the video and resume when that's done. So what are we doing here, bud?
We have to pull this off now to get the throttle body off. Still connected right here, though, to the sensor. Oh, we got that aside.
Oh yeah, he also took this off from that right there.
And we also have to take this one off.
Oh yeah, of course.
What else is holding this thing in?
It's probably got a gasket maker on the side of, on the back of it, or a gasket.
All right. We're literally making a video about a Saab with no knowledge on a Saab.
It's a throttle body. How hard can it be? Well, look at, so we got
Almost my 10mm.
5 bolt holes. Those are off. I don't know, bud. Figure it out. You're smart. We're gonna figure it out, and then we're gonna be back.
Where the flathead goes?
Well, it looks like what you got to do is there's that little plastic clip right there. If you push down on that, that should come off. And we also took the connector off of this connector right here. I'll see if this works.
Yep, that came off.
Gee, fuck, I'm a genius. Alright. So lift up. Oh, there's more shit.
Dude, what is all connected to this
hose?
thing?
I wouldn't take that off because that's probably gonna break. Yeah, that's gonna break if you take that off. Where's it connected? Yeah, that's just gonna be in the way because you're trying to fuck with those. It's probably gonna break them.
Okay.
We're gonna get this off. We'll be back. Okay, so apparently those little silver things are actually like holding it on too. So you got the nut, and then you got those silver things right there under it. You also have to take off, which he's doing right now.
That's such an odd angle.
Hey, you got it. Oh, you're taking out the whole stud.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, these are studs. Okay. Okay, so there's a little Swedish left in this car, I guess. Okay, guys, it looks like there's actual studs you take out of there. There we go. Okay. So we got those studs off, and just pull that off. Bada bing, bada boom, comes right off, and then it's an interesting look in the intake manifold. Oh. You're gonna reuse that? I mean, what choice do you have?
I don't really have any.
Yeah, okay. I'd carefully take this off. There you go. Alright, we're gonna...
That's broken, yeah. Yikes.
Spray this down with your...
Throttle body cleaner?
Yeah, and wipe it with the rag.
Sometimes I don't want to spray, dude.
That's strong.
Yeah. Horrible smell. Just a little more. Oh wait, there's still some right there, but oh well. Yeah, this one didn't come with a gasket.
Where'd you put it?
The gasket?
Yeah.
Should just be right around here. Yeah, it's right here. Yikes. Hey, you can see a piece of the gasket even in there.
You ain't really got a choice, though.
Yeah, I know.
I mean, worst case scenario, you come back and RTV it.
Yeah, you can see it down there.
Yeah. Hey, it's mostly there, though.
Yeah, just this.
Just tighten it down a bunch more.
Just right here.
Yeah, tighten it down a lot more than it was, and it should.
Oh yeah, because it was really loose.
It should sink into it. We're gonna put the 2 bottom studs in first and line it up the gasket, and then when we get that on, it's just the reverse. So here's what I'm thinking. We got like one bolt and one stud in it. We're gonna try and like lay the left side on and then get the right side bolts aligned and try and do that way, because it's not much room to actually get it in there, so you gotta like come in from an angle and slide it in. So we're gonna try that and see how that works. All right, so we got the gasket is still lined up. We're gonna try and put a screw through that hole through the gasket and get that one all the way screwed in, and then get the other 3 tight. So we got that one in. That one's like 3/4 snug, but it's still loose enough where we can rotate it around the axis. And then we're just gonna put this other top one in, where it's lined in through the gasket and through to the hole. And we're just gonna take these bottom 2 up, line those up, and then put those in. So it should be pretty easy. So I actually lied. I did the top left, and then we did the bottom right one, and then we lined up the top left one. So now all he has to do is tighten up the bottom left, and they're all lined up and through the gasket. So yeah, I do the top left and top right rather than the top 2. So we got those 4 down pretty tight. We're going to you can reconnect that electrical connector and put it back through the shield.
Put this back on here.
Yeah, you got that.
All right. Just annoying because there's so much in the way.
Yeah, well, I'd connect that to that first, and then put it through the metal shield.
The sensor's already broken anyways.
Well, half of it's plugged in.
Half of it. Yeah.
That could be your issue too. That fucking, because they go straight to the MAF.
Yeah. It wasn't me that broke it, but I was there when it broke.
Yo, daddy.
There we go. It's on there now.
Yeah, plug that yellow one in.
Where's the yellow one?
Right under here.
Yeah, remember, I'm colorblind.
Right here, you goober.
That's yellow?
Yes, God, just plug. I don't know. I'm colorblind too. It might be orange.
I'm pretty sure that's like an orange red color, man.
Yeah, just gotta put.
I gotta get this back at the right angle.
Yeah, you guys shove that shit through there. There we go. That's that black plastic piece is
back on there.
Back on there. Yeah.
So then,
put that shit on the nuts. Boom. Put those nuts on there, and then put your fucking hose back on there.
And then we're gonna test drive it and see how it does.
Test drive it, and we're gonna test start it, bro. It's gonna be. I bet this shit's gonna misfire like hell, because you got to redo the throttle learning, the throttle body position. So.
Let's also not forget the fact that my battery is shot, for the most part.
Right.
You want to show them that even?
Yeah. Let me see what this guy's got rigged up here.
2 pour for a battery, so. This is what
I'm almost scared to touch it. It's like at an angle, and then when he puts this on here to start it, like.
You're not right now.
Oh yeah. It just don't fit very good.
Now we just gotta get these things on there, and we should be set.
You're just a broke boy, boy. Mr. Skater Boy. Alright, we'll be back.
It probably won't start immediately.
Yeah?
Alright.
Alright, we got it. Go ahead, start her up, yo.
Yep. Told you. Hold on. This thing is the epitome of clapped.
Do we gotta go get a battery?
I can get it to start with this one.
Okay.
To make sure every time. Okay, that sensor's good. Now.
Let's go get a battery.
Alright.
We'll be back. Alright, we're back. Got the new battery in.
There you go, moment of truth.
Seems like it runs.
It's firing.
Yeah, you gotta reset the idle air. Just gotta find out how to do that. Nah.
Set it off?
Yeah. You have to search up a video on how to reset it. Alright guys, so that's it. All we had to do was put the ignition on and, like, you know, turn the car on but not start it, and we did that and waited for a minute.
Whoa.
And now it's misfiring again, so never mind. Y'all, so right after that video, like 5 seconds after, it actually just smoothed out. But we're gonna drive it again for a second and you'll see it. It runs good. It fixed our issue. No more high RPM misfiring and all that.
I think it's warmed up already.
Yeah, give it a little rev. All 185 horsepower, yo. But yeah, that's it, guys. That's all you gotta do. It runs good.
This is V-Dub Crew out.
Yeah, easy as that.